Equally impressive is the story of three youths in the fiery furnace, whom God saved from the fire. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to worship the golden idol set up by King Nebuchadnezzar. In anger, the king ordered them to be thrown into a blazing furnace. The furnace was so hot that the flames killed the soldiers who threw the youths into the fire. However, God sent an angel, and the youths remained unharmed. When the king saw this, he was astonished and acknowledged the power of God. This story reminds us of the strength of faith and that God is always there to protect us in the most difficult circumstances.